Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the text size at the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. For that we will need the settings file. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, then you hear the control center, and the part of the control center is always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it and then you will need the point here display, and a bit below you will find now the point font size and style. Yeah, here you can increase the text size. Now I've done it already that you can follow the video better. So I recommend to you as well to don't increase it too much, because this has some disadvantages later if you want to read notifications and so on. And yeah, so this is fine like that. And yeah, let me go back here one step. So what you can do as well is to increase the items as well. If you tap here on screen zoom, and with that you can increase items, like the items here at the front screen and so on if you want. So just something simple next to the text size. So just arrange it like you want to have it, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.